true cold start. Everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. We are here with the blue car for its first night at the drag strip. Now I will go back in time for some video earlier from the day.
But there was a revision that you had done.
Yeah, I've done a tune revision. I put the Hellcat fuel pump. I was on a DW 400 in the video. Yes. I put a Hellcat fuel pump in it, and then what we showed earlier in the video, I've got all 3-inch now. There's no more bottleneck.
No more bottleneck.
So guys, what we're talking about is I got the bottleneck. I'll throw a picture up right here, before and after the bottleneck. And then also, if you look, we got the tailpipes tucked back in where they go, so no more tailpipes sticking out. And what it was the down pipes, where the down pipes and the mid pipes go in the car, it shoved the cat back. So when I had the restriction taken out, I actually had them shorten it so it would pull the cat back in, and so that's where we're at right now. I like it the way it's sitting right here. But, however, I haven't started the car today. So, I'm going to give you guys a cold start. I'm hoping the phone will actually do some justice.
True cold start.
True cold start. Can't wait to get back on E85.
Soon.
93 stinks. So far, the car feels great. I just got the radials on. I haven't had my radials. I hadn't been able to feel the full power of it. But tonight, we're going to feel the full power. We're going to go down the track. We're going to start out with low boost. We're going to raise it up and see how far we can go on the 93 tonight and have a little fun with the car. So tonight, you're probably not going to get the fastest time the car will do tonight, but we're going to introduce it to the drag strip. We're going to get acquainted with it. We're going to see what it's doing and let me get a feel for the car. Okay, as you can see in the video, I've been a little busy getting the car, everything ironed out with the car. We got the new fuel pump in. We talked about that in the last video. We got the bottleneck taken care of. We got the tips adjusted. That was my main thing. I'm very OCD on that. But anyway, guys, we're going to be out here tonight. We got Todd out here. What's going on? We got the wife. And we are going to be running the car. We're going to start out with low boost. We're going to ramp it up a little bit and then see where we end up at tonight. We also have Xander 13 here running his car. He's about to go up and make his first pass. Alright guys, we got Jesse in his new car. Gonna run. What do you think it's gonna run, Jesse? 880. There you go. Alright guys, here we go. Mach 1. Look at that old Mach 1 right there at the start. ready to make our first pass down the drag strip, and somebody decided to oil it down, so we gotta wait. Never fails, guys. It never fails. All right, guys, we're gonna make our first pass, and we're gonna see how it does. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm a little nervous. I haven't actually ran the car down with it shifting and wide open throttle because I just got the radios on today. So this is my first actual run in the car. We're gonna log it for Rob, Palm Beach Dyno. Let him look at the logs from the night's runs, and then he might tweak it. And then of course, you know, I'll be back at the drag strip. Right tonight, we're just wanting A to B passes. Whatever they are, they are. My main concern is just good A to B passes, learning the car, learning the ins and outs of what it likes, what it doesn't like with the turbos, and then going from there. The humidity is up, and my windows want to fog, and I can't do nothing about it. Breaking up on the big end. I got a log of it, so we're gonna see what that was all about. I don't like that. We're gonna let Rob take a look at that one. That was on about 8 pounds of boost. Let's see what it did. Appreciate it, buddy. A 695 at 106, 174.60, 695 at 106. Here we go, guys. This lane got closed down because they oiled down the track, so it's just the right lane. Danner's about to make his pass. He's turned it up 80% duty cycle, which on my car 80% duty cycle is 13 pounds, so he should be around 13 pounds here. Let's see what it does. There we go. All right, guys, we got the wife with me. I'm down on Wastegate, and I'm gonna log this run. We think we might have had something going on with spark blowout. I don't know why, but I'm gapped to 22. I don't see that happening unless I just need to change these plugs out. You know, it could be possible. I did look at, went back and looked at the footage on that I was doing. When it was cutting out, the knock was negative. So that's a good thing. It wasn't detecting any detonation, so it wasn't breaking up because of detonation or anything bad that I could see. So I talked to Jell from Hellhorse. He said try full out wastegate, which is around 6 pounds of boost instead of 8. See if it does it again, and then we go from there. A number of things could be going on. The car is running perfect. The car feels fine. It's idling perfect. It seems to be running just fine. It's not missing. It's not cutting out at idle. Everything feels good with it. Hold on. He did tell me to try something else that I'm going to try real quick. He wants me to unplug the ABS. So we are going to do that really quick. A lot of people do this, so we're going to do it and try it. Let's somebody asked me to try some, I tried. You know, whether it works or not, I don't know. One thing about it with the ABS unplugged, I ain't got to worry about turning all this stuff off. I just go. My bad, guys. The GoPro went dead right before I got ready to leave. I could not change the battery sitting on the line, so that's my fault. She was overly excited. She was going crazy going on the track. I wish I had the footage. Cody is here. What's going on? And Maniac. That's right, YouTube. I had to remember that. Maniac S550 and you, I always got to remember. But, of course, we got Xander 13. And, yeah, guys, I'm tired. The first run, we ran a Focus. So there you go, guys. All right, so 17460 at 695 at 106. That's the one where right before the shift, on the last two shifts, it kind of broke up. We're thinking maybe something to do with the spark plugs. We're going to investigate that. So what we did, that was on right at 8 pounds of boost. All right, guys, so my second run was on 6 pounds of boost. 17860 with the 718 at 103. It did not cut out. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm very happy with the car for the first time out. We went 690s and a 718 on 6 pounds of boost, 690 on 8 pounds of boost. Even with it kind of doing that little bit of cutout on the top end, still did great. Pulled like a freight train. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't. Stay tuned, it's only the beginning. We'll catch you later. And this right here, so
Wow.
yeah, I didn't get it because the camera wouldn't focus in time. See? The GoPro would have caught it. See? You are fuzzy. So, I got to do this again because this foul mouth back here don't know how to shut. So, anyway, guys.